Tiruvan University, regular exam 2080, BBS 4 years program, first year, management, MGT 202, business statistics, regular, full marks 100, time 3 hours, question paper. Group A is of 20 marks, Group B of 50 marks, and Group C is of 30 marks. Group A, brief answer questions, attempt all questions. Question number 1, state any two principal objective of classification. Question number 2, if mean equal to 25, mode equal to 28, and standard deviation equal to 5, find coefficient of skewness. Question number 3, if the third quartile and median are 30 and 22 respectively, find the first quartile, assuming the distribution is to be symmetrical. Question number 4, if the quartile coefficient of skewness is 0.6, quartile deviation is 5, and the third quartile is 28, find the median of the distribution. Question number 5, given the following regression equations, 4x minus 5y plus 33 equal to 0, 20x minus 9y minus 107 equal to 0. Find the mean values of x and y. Question number 6, evaluate determinant of A of given matrix. Question number 7, a card is drawn at random from a pack of cards. What is the probability of getting A, a black card, and B, a king? Question number 8, find the simple aggregate price index number from the following data of 2015, taking 2014 as the base year when current year quantity is taken as weight. Read carefully table and find. Question number 9, find the transpose of matrix A where A equal to 1 minus 2, 4, 3. Question number 10, the year of origin of the following trend line equation of production in tons is 217. Y equal to 40 plus 1.5x. Estimate the production for the year 2033. Group B, descriptive answer questions. Attempt any 5 questions. Question number 11. 1. The coefficient of rank correlation of marks obtained by 10 students in statistics and account was found to be 0.5. It was later discovered that the difference in ranks in the two subjects obtained by one student was wrongly taken as 3 instead of 7. Find the correct coefficient of rank correlation. 2. An analysis of monthly wages paid to workers in a firm A and B belonging to the same industry given the following results. A. Which firm pays larger wage bill? B. In which firm is there greater variability in individual wages? Question number 12. Calculate percentile coefficient of kurtosis of the following data. Read carefully and find. Question number 13. The following table gives information on ages and cholesterol levels for a random sample of 10 men. Develop the regression line of cholesterol level on age. Read carefully table and predict the cholesterol level of 60-year-old man. Question number 14. An inquiry into the budget of middle class families in a certain city gave the following information. Read carefully table given information. What is the cost of living index number of 2016 as compared with that 2015? If an employee's salary of Rs 20,000 per month is raised to Rs 21,000 in 2016, is it adequate? If not, what should be the increment in salary in 2016? Question number 15. Solve the following problem graphically. Maximize the cost Z equal to 20x plus 30y. Subject to the constants 3x plus 5y get equal 45, 2x plus y get equal 20, and xy get equal 0, non-negative condition. Question number 16. Solve the following equation by using matrix or determinant method. 3x plus 2y plus 5z equal to 10, 2x minus 3y plus 7z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal to 5. Group C. Analytical answer question. Attempt any 2 questions. Question number 17. The manager of flowers of promises its customers delivery within 4 hours on all flowers order. All flowers are purchased on the previous day and delivered to Parker by 8 a.m. in the next morning. The daily demand for roses is as follows. Read carefully. The manager purchases roses for Rs 10 per dozen and sells them for Rs 30. All unsold roses are donated to a local hospital. Construct the payoff table. Also find EMB, EPPI and EVPI. Question number 18. Below are given annual production of sugar in 1000 tons of a factory. Read carefully and find 1. Feed a straight line by method of least square. 2. Obtain the trend values. 3. Plot the given figures on a graph and show the trend line. 4. What is the monthly increases in production? 5. Estimate production of sugar for the year 2020. Question number 19. Construct a frequency table for the following data regarding annual profit in lakhs of rupees in 50 farms taking 25 to 34, 35 to 44 etc. as class interval. And find 1. Find the number of farms having profit between Rs 37 lakhs and Rs 58 lakhs. 2. Profit above which 10% of the firm will have their profits. 3. मिडल 50% प्रॉफिट ग्रुप बीबीएस फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर वान्यामको प्लेलिस्ट बीबीएस मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र ती प्रश्नहरूको सहायताले प्रिपेरेसन राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर वान्यामभित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक कमेन्ट सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला।